Hello from Slovenia again. Uh, Today I will try a little different flower dip again, and I will use just Vallejo pearl medium with my pouring medium without white or something, and see if I will be able to get some nice lacing. And I will use only metallic and pearl paints. So I will use iridescent blue black. This one dries like you see, this is the one, and this one didn't dry yet. This is pearl blue from Amsterdam, and it's almost transparent. When it dries, it has just a blue shimmer. So, and black. This will be all that I will use today. So a little dark side maybe today. Sometimes we feel to go on the wild side and sometimes on the dark side. I was just thinking, but I will go with spiral. This is my pearl, so I will start with Vallejo pearl mixture, and I want to do a circle because otherwise I do an egg shape. So you can always help yourself with some tools. Okay, let's start. Okay, enough. And I will add this iridescent blue black next. It looks like a grayish color now, but you will see that when it will dry, it will be beautiful. And I just want to see if I will get some of this lovely lacing. And this is pearl blue from Amsterdam. Black again. Sorry, my hand was on the way. So I decided that I will do my auction this Sunday anyway, so if you were not able to come because of Super Bowl, it's okay, but I had a lot of comments that I can do it anyway, so that's why I decided that I will just do it. And pearl blue, and this will be the last, I think. Okay, I will spray where I have my paper towels. So sorry. Where are they? Where are my paper towels? I lost them. Where are they? Who stole my paper towels? Probably some of my cats or dogs. I found it. Somebody wrote in comments that she use dry paper towel, so I will try to use dry one in one of my next videos too. So, but today I decided that I will just go with my dry one. So let's see. I'm looking for a black with blue shimmer kind of, and I hope that I will get quite a lot lacing out of this pearl. This is what I have in mind. And I will just try to lift my paper towel a little different today. So I will do this first, and a little bit on this side, and a little bit on that side. I don't know what is the word for this thing. Okay. Let's see. Whoops, I almost grabbed a scoop bottle too, that I have water in it, not my torch. I'm really curious how this will dry. I didn't get as much lacing as I was hoping, but it's interesting anyway. And when this blue black will dry, will be nice. I just have to cover my sides where I so let me take you for a close-up. You already can see that this will be blue. I really like this center and I like the flower shape, so I'm really happy with this one. Even if I didn't get as much lacing as I hope, I think it's just enough, because I don't know, I just love this one. So, one on the dark side, and I really love it and can't wait for this to dry. You see how it's blue already, but it's not there yet because this paint is still wet. So, and I like this center when I swirl a little bit like a Melly. Thanks, Melody. So it's just beautiful for my opinion. So if you like this video, you can subscribe if you didn't yet, leave me a comment, share this on social media, and help me with creating more videos for you and for me. This is the thing that makes both sides happy, I think. So give me your thumbs up or nothing. So hope you will come on my Sunday auction, and see you on the next one. Bye.